You can check and search. Every YouTube has solved this wrong. But today I will reveal the real deal, real solution and real answer which is exactly correct. Step by step I will explain it, and once you see it you will be like, bro, it can get easier than this. Within just 6 steps I will explain you. Basically 5 steps. Step 1, geometry of the beam. Step 2, find useful angle. Step 3, UDL single resultant, very important. And step 4, unknown reaction, Bx, Bya and equilibrium equation solve and the final answer. Here heavy rain, so sound problem, that's why you have to adjust. Anyway, what is this? 1 meter, 3 meter. Then horizontal length is what? You can say horizontal portion is 1 meter plus 3 meter equal to 4 meter. Very easy, very simple. So note down, horizontal portion equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4 meter. Vertically drop, that means what is the length of vertical along x axis, not along y axis. Vertical means y axis. What is the height? Height is given by the question is 3 meter. So vertically drop 3 meter. Using Pythagoras theorem, you have to find the slope length which is capital L. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem under root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is under root of 25, that is 5 meter. Beam length, okay, this is beam and this is length capital L, denoted by capital L. Here make a triangle. Which triangle? 3, 4, 5 triangle. I think you understood till now, no problem. Okay. Now we have to find useful angle. Here let this is theta. We know cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Base equal to 4, hypotenuse equal to 5. Then cos theta equal to what? You can written as base by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Similarly sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse or height by hypotenuse. Anyways 3 by 5. Okay. Sin theta may be not useful for this problem, but we can find also. Anyway, replace the UDL by a single resultant. Resultant W force equal to what? Omega into length L. Omega is 800 and L is already found which is 5 meter. Which is 5? This 5. So omega into L. Omega is 800 load, L equal to 5. That is 400 Newton. Make it small. 4 kilonewton divided by 1000 Newton to kilonewton transfer. 4 kilonewton. I hope you understood. If you have any problem with this problem, you can comment here. Anyway, this is equal to what? 4 Newton at the midpoint of L. Midpoint. If L is 5, obviously 5 meter, then 2.5 and 2.5 exactly midpoint act. What act? 4 kilonewton force act at the midpoint. But we have to find the horizontal length of L. Horizontal length of L, because this is not horizontal. Capital L is not horizontal. Okay. Anyway, note down, its act downward also. 4 kilonewton where act downward along negative y axis. So note down, its act downward and midpoint of the member. Member means horizontal length of L. Midpoint of the member. What is the midpoint of the member horizontal? This is very simple. L by 2, that is 5 by 2. But we have to find horizontal. So you have to multiply it by cos theta. Actually component of L. But we have to find component of L by 2 because midpoint half and half of length component. That is, you can note down horizontal distance of midpoint from left end. From left end, not right end. Remember, keep on your mind from left end and midpoint. Okay? Again and again time I repeat you. So midpoint means L by 2. First you have to write total is L. Midpoint value to one side length is L by 2. Component into cos theta, that is cos 4 by 5. And we know the value of L 5 by 2 and cos theta equal to 4 by 5. 5 cancelling, 4 by 2, that is 2 meter. I hope you understood because I explaining you very easy, very step by step. Okay? Anyway, now let's see. This is 3. This is 3. Question says that I am not saying you. This is 3. But horizontal length is what? 2 meter of the beam. Horizontal length what? 2 meter of the beam. At first note down. A to B real horizontal is 3. This is real horizontal. Real horizontal is 3. This is 3. But slope, horizontal slope length is 2. Then 2 and 1 equal to 3. So you can written as this is 2 and 3 minus 2, this is 1. Understand? Yes or no? Comment. Very critical situation. Real length is 3. Horizontal of the beam is 2. So remaining part is the 1. Anyway, we have to find Bx, A and By. What is A? This is A reaction. Only one reaction, no component. So I can written as only A. Not Ax, not Ay. You can written as Ay also because along y axis, no problem. I don't write because here only one force. This is Bx, left hand side, and upward is By. No confusion. We have to find 3 unknown reaction. A, Bx and By. This is our main approach. This is our main question. Step 5. Equilibrium equation solve, which is very important but very easy if you know the actual approach. Summation of momentum equal to 0. Let's watch. This is By. Upward. Upward means plus. This is positive y. This is negative y. This is positive x. This is negative x. If going to positive y plus, going to negative y minus. Okay. So By going to positive y, then plus. Perpendicular distance. What is perpendicular distance? 3. Not taken 4. 3. Because not 4, because there 4 kilonewton force act already. That's why 3. By into 3. Okay. Minus 4 kilonewton. 4y downward. 4th kilonewton is downward, negative y axis. Negative. Downward. That's why 4. Perpendicular distance is what? 1. Total 3. 3 minus midpoint value 2. 3 minus 2. That's why perpendicular value now is 1. This is 2. Why 2? Why 2? Horizontal of the beam is 2 and total is original 3. AB length 3. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1. This is our equation. Now very easy step. You can yourself calculate and simplify. So By equal to, automatically pops out the answer. 3 By equal to 4. By equal to 4 by 3. That is 1.33333 something. Kilonewton, not Newton. Okay. You can transfer also Newton, no problem. Anyway, summation of Fy equal to 0. Here along y axis, upward side 2 forces. By. A is upward, By upward, that's why positive. Ay plus By. And negative downward, only 4 equal to 0. We know the value of By. Then putting the value of By, automatically find out A. A is 2.6667 kilonewton. Okay. So finally By and Ay we got it. Now X A. fx summation of x equal to 0. Here only force, only bx. Negative left side, negative x axis, so minus bx equal to 0. So obviously bx value 0. This is our final answer. Bx 0, ay 2.667, ay means capital A, and by 1.33 kilonewton. Again I told you, if you any problem with this problem, please comment. I will discuss again, explain again and again time in the next lecture. No problem. Anyway, thank you. Good afternoon. Happy rainy day.